favorite, actually, from the designs that they have right now is actually suot din po ni Ralph tsaka ni Brett ngayon. So
makikita natin mamaya.
Makikita niyo.
Exciting. Tapos kasama mo pa si James.
Kaya nga, sabi ko,
ang pogi! Oo.
Parang ganito kalapit yung mukha niya, parang wait lang.
Picture pala siya. Alright, well, you know what? Since we were just talking about twinsies, diba? Yung twin mo nasa crowd. Oo. Hindi nagkakalayo. Sinasabi ko na yun.
Nanay ko na dun, mother mo din.
Alright, well, since we were talking about being twins, if you had the twin with your bestie this Christmas, which piece from the collection would you both be wearing?
Ooh, a piece from the collection that we'd be wearing. If you guys saw yung billboard namin, yung pictures namin, which is the leather top and bottom na red, twin, dapat yun yung suot natin dalawa today. Mamaya hahanapin natin yun kasi hindi pa siya na-release pa.
Ayun!
So sabi, re-release daw siya soon for this Christmas daw. Sorry po, nag-advance na ako.
Nag-advance na?